Hi everybody. What's the best way to do server-side rendering in a single page application? Well, I think I found the best way to do that. Let me show you. I have an application right here. This is a kitchen sink project, which is basically just a Vue application. It includes a resumable plugin, the Vue plugin resumable. So you have to install it like a regular way with npm install. Then you add hello 6 file to the pages folder, and then you can write immediately you don't need the HTML. Index HTML, we have that right just because Vite otherwise will complain that it doesn't have anything to start with, but we don't use it. We have a view method, which is basically the function that is executed on server. I will print hello server. We'll fetch some data from an external API, in this case just loading the Ditto Pokemon character. We have a state object, which is an instance of this class, simple observer class, observable. And we have a return that returns basically what we want to show on the HTML output. So we have an HTML between the body. Okay. And the most interesting part is this function. This function. This function will be executed on the client. So somehow we need to transform the data to the client. And this is exactly what we mean by resumability and hibernation or hydration process. Okay, let's see this in action. First, let's see. Let's start the application. Already started the application, I think. Yes, the application is already started. So we see hello server, which is this guy. Hello server, and we have a client. Hello client. It's the state. State is exactly as you expect. Has a value 1 to 3, 1 to 3, and it implements the prototype of the state object. Okay, let's take a closer look to the HTTP network. We have a hello world, which renders HTML, and a script tag. So what we also can see is that we have this hello world script twice. One for just the client script. So basically the client entry code, and we have an additional call to get the state class. At this point, I think I may want to change how this works and combine both into one single HTTP request. And when you really need to split them up, then we can use dynamic imports for doing that. So the resumability plugin is gonna have more features, but don't want to just throw in features into this plugin if we can do that in a different way. Anyways, so that's future work, I think. Not decided yet, can improve on. But basically the fundamental framework for resumability is proven as a concept, at least. Well, thank you for listening, and if you have questions, please let me know, and I will try my best to answer all your questions. Hope you like it, and stay tuned for next videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.